Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today will be a new unboxing as Apink released their latest Japanese album, LUV or LUV. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, I also ordered a lot more albums in this package, so I'll do the LUV albums first and I'll do the other albums in another time. Okay, so these are the items I got, and yes, I got another Catch 'Em If You Can, because I was not too happy about the ripped tape at the back. It was really ugly. Like the bubble wrap was black and then the tape was white, so it didn't look good. So yeah, I got another one because I'll be a lot more careful when I'm opening this one now, as I know how to open it. Yeah, so that's Catch 'Em If You Can. And I got the other Apink releases, Mr. Chew and No No No. And I think, no, they mixed them up. Yeah, I got the individual member ones. So these are the ones I got. Oh, this is not. Okay. So yeah, I'll be doing the LUV ones today. So LUV. Yeah, so I got the other versions of the other albums a while ago. So I decided to get the rest of them. So I'll do Type A and Type B in this video. So here's Type A. As you can see, there's a little goodies in there. Looks like another bag, which is cool. Like, I wish they give it a better packaging though, but it's still alright. And this is Type B. Both should come with a photo card and photo book, so yep, I'll get right into it. Okay, so this is Type A. Oops, this is Type A. And yep, we got that OB strip again. And this is the CD. And this is the little goodies that we're talking about. Looks nice already from the outside. Okay, so let's get into this one. Hey. Ooh, it's quite tight. Ooh. That's an interesting pose. So you got the album here on a white disc, and you got the music video on the pink disc. And yep, let's get to the inside contents, the photo book. So you got the group, photo card already, and this is Namju. Very nice. They seem to have the same printing as the other photo cards I got. So this is Namju. Put it here. Advertisements. Okay. So we have, first of all, First got a full body shot, then in a close-up shot. And you got Haya, close up, and her body shot. Nji, it's more of a half body shot compared to a close up actually. Yeah, this is more half body shot. And her full body shot. Bommy, full body shot. Bommy's close-up shot. Very pretty smile. Namju, close-up. Namju's full body. Not smiling that well in this one, but still alright. Try on. Full body. close up. She really likes doing that. It's very cute. And credits. In the back. So yeah, that's Type A. Okay, that was very nice. Okay, let's hope that Type B is different as well. And I'll put... Actually, let's go look at the goodies. Okay, so... Ooh, it's got a weird smell to it. Ooh, what's this? Oh no. Oh no, it's not from... Okay, it's just excess thread. Yeah, it's just excess thread. I was so scared. Looks like a makeup bag. Oh, yeah, it looks like a makeup bag. It's got a weird smell to it. I don't know what it is. It's like scented or something. Okay, anything special inside? Not really. Apink makeup bag. I'm assuming it's alright. It's quite stylish. Yeah. The zipper's a little clunky though, but overall it's quite nice. Okay, try to put this back in. I always have troubles putting goods back into its original packaging, so I think this one's more easier than the other ones. It's not too big. Yeah, it's my first time actually getting the goods back into its original packaging. So that was good. Okay. So put this here. Let's go with Type B now. Type B. Yep, OB strip again. Okay, let's see, is it really different? Okay. Definitely a different cover already. In the other one, they're in two-piece dresses, and this one they're in a one-piece dress. Okay, so this is the music video. I mean, not the music, the album, the white one, and this is the music video. Wait a minute, I definitely saw something different. Okay, let me get back to it. Okay, there's some slight differences. Type A, if you guys can see, is DVD, LUV music video, and Type B is DVD, music video, dance featured version, and the making of LUV music video. So that's very interesting. I thought that would be the same, but Type A and Type B actually have different DVDs to it. And let's check if the album's 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks. And Type A has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the album is the same, but the DVD is actually different. So the track CD for both are the same, but the DVD is different. Okay, so you get the photo book out. Okay, so yep, different cover already. The group in single piece dresses. Or if not single piece, they're long dresses. Okay. No, a different photo. Yep, it's a different photo. Okay, let's get into it. Photo card, and I already see the name, and it's not. I've been getting a lot of nums lately, so this is not. And yep, advertisement, and wow, straight away, Unji. Woo, looks like she's in Wonderland or something. She's definitely not on Earth. I'm just joking. Yeah, but it's very peaceful expression. Then you got Hayang. I think these are all close-ups. Bommy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Bommy, sorry. Look at the size of that earring. Jeez. Did the other two have that earring? No, they didn't. Jeez, look at that size of that earring. Okay, so that's Bommy. And Nam. Jeez, she's even got a bigger earring. 4. Okay, that's Nam. That's insanely big. Did the other two have that? No. Inji's got a small one. Ha Young looks like she doesn't have any actually. Jeez, these two have massive earrings. Okay, Choro. Okay, she got little earrings, but yeah, that's a very nice photo of her. Namju got a massive heart earring. It's quite nice as well. Then got a group shot. Ha-young, Eunji, and Bummy. Then you got Na-eun, Choi-won, and Namju. Their dresses seem to be semi-see-through. But Choi-won's dress seems to be the most see-through out of all of them. Interesting. And credits. So that's version B, which is very nice. Okay. So yeah, the only difference between version A and version B is just the goods and the DVD at the moment. From what I can see, the Type B has a little more to the DVD, but Type A of course has that goodies, that little makeup bag, which is very cool. And yeah, that's all to it. That's the actual difference. And of course you get photo cards. So I got Namju and Na-eun in these two. So yep, that's very good. I think I got Na-eun in the other albums I got. So that's building up my Na-eun collection. So this is Type A and Type B of Apink's LUV Japanese version. So I hope you guys did like this video, and hopefully you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxings. And yeah, I'll be doing the regular and Type C version in the upcoming video, so I hope to see you very soon. So until then, bye bye.